This is a dying star, collapsing under its own weight. In a heartbeat, the core implodes, leaving behind a gravitational pit, the dark monster of the universe. Time bends, light dies, and nothing escapes. This is a black hole. Born in violence, from 100 to billions of solar masses, from dying stars and galaxy cores, it's the point of no return. The event horizon has infinite density. Physics breaks down, but you can still pass it. Supermassive black holes allow you to go through the event horizon safely. But at the singularity, they crush you. Smaller black holes use something completely different. The event horizon stretches you, ripping you apart within seconds in a process called spaghettification. A black hole doesn't always consume. When a huge amount of gas is fed to a black hole, it doesn't fall straight away. It spins into a hot disk just outside. Friction heats the disk to millions of degrees, forming plasma brighter than 1 trillion suns, shooting it into the void of space, forming a quasar. But just as everything in the universe, a black hole dies. At the edge of the horizon, quantum particles escape, stealing energy from the black hole, shrinking it bit by bit. This is called Hawking radiation. But it takes 10 to the power of 67 years to finish. Way longer than the age of the universe. So none of us will ever see it.